Let's get in the kitchen and get started, shall we? First, gather your ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 1½ cups of chocolate cookie crumbs, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, melted, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For the filling, you'll require 1¼ cups heavy cream, 24 large marshmallows or 2 cups of mini marshmallows, ½ cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup each of green crème de menthe, and white crème de cacao. If you fancy a vibrant green color, a few drops of green food coloring will do the trick. Finally, for garnish, prepare whipped cream and chocolate shavings. Start by preparing the crust. Mix the chocolate cookie crumbs, melted butter, and sugar until well combined in a bowl. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom and up the sides of a 9-inch pie plate. Chill it in the refrigerator while you prepare the filling. For the filling, combine the marshmallows and milk in a large saucepan over low heat. Stir until the marshmallows have completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Once it's cooled to room temperature, stir in the crème de menthe, crème de cacao, and green food coloring for an added pop of color. Next, it's time to whip the cream. Beat the heavy cream in a separate bowl until stiff peaks form. Gently fold this whipped cream into the marshmallow mixture until no white streaks remain. Pour this filling into your prepared crust, smoothing the top with a spatula. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until set. For the best results, it's preferable to let it sit overnight. Before serving, garnish your pie with additional whipped cream and chocolate shavings for an extra touch of indulgence. Stay tuned to Magnolia Moon for more mouth-watering recipes and culinary inspiration.